Hello kids, today we will learn A for apple. A apple. A for apple. A. This is letter A. A for apple. Apple is a fruit. Apple is red in color. Say with me, A for apple. Can you say kids? A. Repeat after me. A for apple. Very good kids. You did great. See you in next video. Bye bye.